Shaniqua! Okay, I apologize that I haven't made a video in forever. I just watched your video. Sorry. Okay, I like your new haircut. I saw the picture on Facebook where it's like comparing. Very nice. Looking flat like a G6. And fresh, so. No more mullet. And how many views does your singing video have now? You said it had 38 when you posted it, but I think that was like a week ago or more. And yeah, it was really good. I did like that. I don't know if you remember her. I guess she was sophomore last year. Her name's Isabella Ness. But her and a couple people and I like jam during our music theory class when we have subs, and she played that song on the guitar and was singing it, and it reminded me of you. The singing video, I don't know, I'll try to remember to post it. I already made it, but I don't know, I'm hesitant, because I guess I'll put it on my other channel, but I don't know, because I think a lot of people subscribe to that, and if it sucks, I don't want them to unsubscribe. But I'll try, and I'll let you know when I do. And I like your little dancing. I'm listening to a slow song now. It's called Gone by Jay Sean, or I'm Gone by Jay Sean. It's a good song. And I know, right, girls? They always pick out their flaws and duh. I'm just kidding. I'll look to see if you post the photo shoot pics on Facebook. Sorry for the long time no talk. I'm trying to think if there's anything to say. Oh, Beauty and the Beast is showing now. Our first performance was last night, and it was actually pretty good. And tonight we have another one. And then next week we have 3. But I'm not going to be there because I'm doing my Jersey Surf stuff. Whatevs. I got into college already. UVA-wise, it's kind of my, like, safe school. But I got in, so that's, I guess, good. I don't know what else to say. Hope everything is going well. So, I'll let you go. Toodles.